Bullish Terra Classic Lunc cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $547 and $232 by 2030. Market experts accept Lunc could reach $425 by 2025. Negative Terra Classic market cost expectation for 2023 is $97. Terra Classic Lunc presentation. A difficult person of digital currencies for clients and dealers is the outrageous value unpredictability of the resources. The energy and recurrence of developments inside a brief period can be frightening for new and transient financial backers. The craving for a moderately steady digital currency that impersonates the value soundness of the fiat monetary market while holding the protection, security, and speed of digital currencies like Bitcoin prompted the improvement of Terra Classic. Terra Classic was sent off in 2018 and conveyed its blockchain in 2019. The stablecoin innovation stage consolidates the overall value security of genuine government-issued types of money with the protection qualities of Bitcoin BTC. Likewise, it would convey quick and reasonable exchanges through its stable cash. What is Terra Classic Lunc? Terra Luna Classic is a public decentralized blockchain convention. Terra Classic fueled the Terra's algorithmic stable coin Tust, which tragically got depegged and doved to seemingly its passing because of unpredictable economic situations occasioned and strengthened by the crypto downturn of 2022. In May, the Luna Classic crashed, bringing about the fork of the Terra Classic into two separate chains of the Terra Luna Classic Cost Forecast and the Terra chain. Terra is an open-source blockchain. CertiK ensured the demonstrating and numerical thinking of the organization as sound in 2019, not long after the Terra Classic's mainnet was sent off. The Terra Classic has since shaken off the odor of death left by seemingly the abrupt destruction of the and put into high-gear processes that would push the digital money towards the accomplishment of its objectives, despite the fact that without the while the new Terra chain will zero in on fostering the most developed UI plans began by the Terra Classic through the help of the Luna People Group maniacs and desires to top and rise above the progress of Terra Classic, who at one point involved the subsequent situation on DeFi's rundown of most elevated coin by locked all-out esteemed TVL. Terra Classic Lunc will keep on propelling its organization to help the advancement of decentralized applications. The confirmation of stake agreement calculation abilities Terra. This calculation depends on the Tendermint tech, which permits holders to stake their Lunc resources as insurances for an opportunity to approve exchanges on the Terra organization and get remunerates relatively comparable with the worth of their marked resources. The local badge of the Terra Classic organization is the Lunc, utilized for framework administration and mining. Validators likewise collateralize it for an opportunity to participate in the exchange approval processes on the organization. Terra Classic makes virtual installment consistent by making crypto installment passages for associations. It joined forces with a portable-based installment arrangement stage in Korea to give installment administrations to online business stages. The organization rewards Terra with a minuscule part of every exchange as inclusion for exchange charges. Terra Classic is at present worth $112. Lunc has moved since 49% as of now with an exchanging volume of $36,325,400. Terra Classic is at present position 9 at 5 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $701,626,149. Using the overall strength record RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination uniqueness MACD from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Terra Classic Lunc to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Terra Classic Lunc market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Terra Classic Lunc Value Expectation 2023. Terra Classic, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. Lunc. The Lunc cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $182. Likewise, with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1,017 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Lunc is supposed to have a base worth of $146. Terra Classic Lunc Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Terra Classic Lunc cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Lunc will before long outperform $334. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Lunc's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Lunc will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $243 and a typical exchanging cost of $267. Terra Classic Lunc Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $425 and Lunc might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Lunc is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $389 and a low of $364 in 2025. Terra Classic Lunc Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Terra Classic effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the Lunc coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Lunc will be green in 2026. The Lunc is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $547, with a base cost of $486 and a typical cost of $51. Terra Classic Lunc Value Forecast 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Lunc cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $632 by 2027, with a base cost of $667 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Lunc has a greatest value worth of $668. Terra Classic Lunc Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $753. On the off chance that Lunc figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $1,079. Neglecting to accumulate the help Lunc needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $179. Terra Classic Lunc Value Expectation 2029. While Lunc is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $985 and a yearly cost close above $911 in 2029. Terra Classic Lunc Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Terra Classic will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $972 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $132, averaging out at $996. Terra Classic Lunc Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should do your own exploration. In 2031,